Hi everyone, my name is Patrick Gaggiano. I'm the Spirits Education and Brand Development Manager here at Horizon Beverage. Today we're going to make a cocktail for two. So grab yourself a friend, my friend here, Mr. Chris Conroy of Sagamore Spirit.
How you doing?
Great, how are you?
Yeah, before Kentucky had bourbon, Maryland made rye. So our goal is to kind of put Maryland back on the map with this portfolio and taste everything through. So I'm excited to be here and make a few cocktails up. Perfect time.
You had me at tasting.
There we go.
We're going to do a more seasonal take on a classic cocktail. So the classic cocktail is going to be a whiskey sour. We're going to do more fall forward, using a couple local ingredients. We're going to do this for two, so it's 1.5 ounces of lemon.
You don't want to drink alone.
I never do.
Yeah, especially on a rye day.
Exactly.
Friday, rye day.
1.5 ounces of local maple syrup. 1.5 ounces of a lighter style apple cider. And then if you could pour me
No
3
problem.
ounces all the way to the top
All the way.
of the straight rye.
So this is our signature 83, really our lead card horse, a blended rye, kind of a throwback to that original Maryland American style rye.
A little bit of ice.
The key is the shake though, right? Let's see it.
That's not like that. Grab 2 glasses. Pour the entire cocktail right in. We're going to add 3 dashes of the Angostura bitters, 3 dashes of Fee Brothers Molasses bitters,
Right on top.
and garnish that with your favorite flannel shirt.
I missed the memo.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you.